Hi everyone and welcome to SDC Verifier tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create beam buckling check according to API standard. Here is the model we are going to use for our tutorial. It completely consists of 1D elements, or how do we used to call them, beam elements. Also in our model we have 8 individual loads, 12 load sets and 2 load groups. First load group consists of 8 individual loads that we have, and second one consists of 12 load sets that we have. First thing we need to do is run an analysis in our job. Now we can move to the recognition section. Let's move to the beam member finder. In this area, which calls brick joint options, you can define what joints should be used to split beam members. And in this bottom area, you can change length or factors for selected beam members. By pressing on this button, you can select or define your selection. Now, let's find our beam members. Here we also have a possibility to plot our all beam members. Let's select them all and plot length labels. As you can see, all our beam members were plotted with its length. Now we can move to the standards and add our API standard. Here you can manually set all your factors that you need. Here you can set your selection, and here we can add our tensile and yield values. Let's add them. Okay. In the standard, we have 8 checks. Let's move to the overall check and create our first table. Here, we can choose our load. Let's choose our first load group. Here we can select our table type, and also we can select direction or parameter. Let's go with extreme one and pick detailed. Also here you can add your selection. Let's press fill table. Here we have our results. Now there are also possibility to add some plots. Let's do that. Let's press criteria plot. Let's select our individual load. Let's choose the previous one. Here you can also add parameters. We'll go with overall utilization factors. Also we can add here the view and selection. Let's check whether view is okay for our plot. Yeah, that looks pretty well. Okay, now we can actually plot our view. Okay. Now we can move to the report and create our result report. First thing we need to do is add check tables. Let's pick overall check and add table. Here you can add the selection. Let's pick all entities. Here we can pick our load. Let's pick all of them. Here you can also select your table type and table structure. As you can see, 2 tables were created. Now let's add check plots. Let's pick again overall check and choose add criteria plot. Here we are going to choose 2 load groups we choose before. Also, we can add selection. You can select view that you need and parameters. 2 plots were created. To make it look more representable, let's pick our plot that we created, apply to selected, and break page before no. Now you can generate your report, and after that you can export it to the Word or to the PDF. Thank you for watching.